You tell me Steven shit. It's two Stevens texting me. You been uploading content. Good stuff, my boy. Good stuff. Me, stay on your grind. My bias all depends on the market I'm trading. I'm not gonna be on live too long today. I'm really just gonna come online and mark up some stuff. I was in this gold short. Price came, wicked me out. They ran down. So that's why it took me a little minute to get on live tonight. I was just sitting there like, dang, bro. Price did exactly what I wanted to do, but hey, it happens to the best of us. I got that long in though. I got that long on that M&Q. Yeah. Had a nice entry on her too. Yeah. Yeah, I was caught this long right here. Caught that long. I thought it was in more Eliza though when I caught it. Was trying to make a little profit back from that gold trade. It's been a sad night, bro. Sad night. What's the word, Jazz? What's the word? I was able to catch this little long on NASDAQ right here. But I didn't enter in. I thought I entered in with more lot, but I didn't. I thought I entered in with a 10-cent lot, but I only entered in with a penny lot. And that's not a lot. When you trade like the little Forex, in a way, that's not a lot when it comes to like the mini NASDAQ mini. If I was in a regular NASDAQ, then yeah, that would have been cool. Like the same way I do like a penny or something if I'm doing my gold. Like that amount is like, okay, cool, that amount is decent. But on that mini, nah, I need to see like 10 cents on there. I don't know, Andrew. What you trading? Yeah, I was already in the gold sale, but I got worked out of it. I have a few more minutes, then I'm off. What you mean, Jazz? You got a few more minutes and you off? You saying you got a few more minutes and you get off for the night? Yeah, I was holding that gold sale since. I think I've been in that gold. I was in that gold sale since last night. Like I was in that freaking gold sale. If I was in here last night, then y'all know I've been sitting in that gold sale all night, all day, just for price to come wake me up, then run down where I wanted it to go. I was just sitting here watching it, like, bro, that it literally sucks, bro. It hurts, like it hurts my soul right now, cause man, that's $200 on my live account right there, gone, boom, just off this move right here, boom. But I shoulda caught this though. I shoulda caught we was in this accumulation range, but I was still expecting that short. But we just started consolidating literally all night. Yeah, for the rest of the night, the morning, everything, we just consolidated. So I've been holding that long. I've been holding that long since her. When is that? No, that's not it. When the hell did I get in that long? Somewhere over here I got in that long. Somewhere. Nah, I was just in a long on Nas. Now I don't know if it's don't know if it's still running right now. I had to check. Nah, usually when gold drops, Nas do the opposite. Yeah, I think it'd be cool. Hold on. Let me get my other chart. Man, that sucks, dog. Yeah. I wanted that gold drop so bad. I was sitting in that trade for a while, man. I was sitting in that trade for almost 24 hours just for it to just wake up, take me out. Yeah, Nasdaq right now is will be in low key in a selling range, a short term selling range right now. If you're in that long already, I would just at least move your stop loss up. You probably got a little bit more to go though. Yeah. If anything, it can come back up to this hourly order block. We create this hourly, yeah. It was at this hourly FPG now that it's on now. It depends on where you enter from too. Cause this right here, this would be TP1. Depending on how you enter. TP1 or TP2. No, TP1 would have been 23,229 if you're looking at MQ. 23,229. Then you had that. Then you should have a runner. Yeah, goes with the highs. Yep. We just took the lows on that gold accumulation zone that we was looking at. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to go sweep the low. Now it's like I don't even. Bro, that shit hurt my soul, bro. I would have tripled my live account in 2 days. Just off this move right here. My move yesterday and this move today, I would have tripled my whole live account. That shit sucks, bro. Just need a. Where'd you enter, Andrew? Where'd you enter? You must have entered at the top. Yeah, I did take a trade. I did take some trades. I was in some trades already before I got live though. I've been holding that gold. I was holding a gold short since last night, but I got wicked out right before I went on live. I got wicked out. Then price ran down. That's the play I wanted. Boom, I wanted that low. I wanted to take it to 26. I was in that play. Then I got in this. I took this long on gold. Not gold. I mean Nasdaq. Right here. But I didn't enter in it on my lot sizes. I thought I had more lot size for this long right here, but I wasn't. Yeah. Solid entry too. Tell me my entry. 67. Yeah, I entered in right here at 67 for that long. Man, I could have made that money back. Boop, if I would just entered in my right light sizes. Entered in right at 67. Bottom tick that hoe. And that was off that 4-hour FEG. I believe we bounced from when I took that long. Yeah. I took this long from here. We had this 4-hour FEG here. Right here that we was hanging around. We kept closing out above. We closed out above it twice. Then once I saw we kept closing out above, I entered in. Yeah, we had a 4-hour FEG, 1-hour FEG. If you went that long, I'll just have cleared profit targets. Jay, I appreciate your follow. Man, that's like hurting my soul. I would have tripled my live account in 2 days, bro. Even though that's not like you could really do that in one trade, triple it, but man, I was waiting for that gold set up. Since last night, I was waiting for that gold set up. All right, well, No more reminiscing on it. Look and see what's next. Let's look and see what's next. I want gold. I want gold to go back up now. I don't want it to fall now, man. Yeah. Okay. If it want to push down, I'll loan that joint. Damn, man. That was a bro. That would have been so perfect. Entry would have been perfect. You can still push back down to the low. Take a short. Take a. Let me see if I see a move on here. Hold up, hold up, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a 5-point move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might take a short long. Hold on. Holding up on this hourly now. Still creating lower highs. Let's see what price want to do. I'm switching between NQ and Gold. I'm switching between also TradingView and Trade Locker. Yep, switching between both of them. Marsha, I appreciate your follow. Yep, switching between Gold and NQ. Yeah. Oh, you good, Marsha? I got you. We mooning? I mean, we were mooning. Some of y'all might be a little late though, especially on M and Q. I'm trading Gold and MQ. Yep, trading both, switching between both. Yeah. It already. I mean, I already caught that long up. I mean, it already kind of happened for me that long. It could keep going up if you catching it. Like if you can, like if you still in that trade, or if you got your own entry, then go for it. Shit. Yeah. I'm about to look at it. I'm about to pull it back up in a second. See what it's got going on. I was holding that gold all freaking night and day waiting for that. Why did they have to do me like that, dog? Why did they do me like that? I'm trading gold and Nasdaq. No, I'm not paper trading. Me, make y'all money, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Bro, I'm not even. Alright, bro. I don't even know how long I'm not even about to be on for long. My heart hurt. Was waiting so long for that move. Been waiting so long for that. I'm gonna go to MEQ in a second, too. I've been trading for 6 months. I need Plus to close out above this swing high. Yeah. Probably see some more. Might see some more out of it. Still technically correcting lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, if I look at my 4-hour, I can see it running up to that 349. 340. Yeah. I can see it probably running up to that 334, 339. Just got to get past this hourly FVG though. It's having some resistance on this hourly FVG. If it inverts this hourly FVG and we turn bullish and respect it, then I can see that coming back up to that 4-hour FVG. Wanna take you out. Too long. No, I don't trade supporting resistance. What's the word? Two paid. Good stuff on passing your compound too. Keep doing your thing out there. Now bring home that bacon, cause we don't got no food in the fridge. Tuh. Bring home that butter. Bring home that butter. Energy don't want to trade. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trading both NQ and gold. Yeah. I'm just hurt right now, man. I was waiting for that gold setup for a minute. I would have tripled that whole live account, bro. Quick, boy. But it's part of the game, man. Part of the game, 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 part of the game. Hold on. If you getting that money and I'm getting that money, the fuck are you? I know y'all heard that little song on TikTok. If you getting that money and I'm getting that money, what the fuck are you talking about? The fuck are you beefing about? Well, I was doing good all day until that gold decided to wake up before it dropped back down. Before it went back down, I was up in profit all day until gold decided to wake up. I had my stop loss at 435. Chilling. I was chilling all day. In profit all day. La 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 la. Chilling, boy. I'm like, yeah, gold about to drop. Gold about to drop. Gold gonna drop. Holding that sale since freaking last night. Motherfucker wanna wake up and take me out. Look at this shit. Didn't wanna drop. What the hell he? Yeah, y'all gonna hear this song on TikTok in a little bit, man. This shit, I heard this shit on TikTok today. This shit fire. On me, and it like, it hurt a little bit more because that's real bread too. So that's 200. That's 200. That's $200 right there. I mean, I didn't lose that much, but I lost just enough to lose 200 for real. That's what it feel like. Yeah. Money and I'm getting money. What the fuck are we beefing about? If you getting money and I'm getting money, what the fuck is we beefing about? I'm gonna start saying that shit. And I'm getting money, what the fuck are we beefing about? Bro said, hi, uncle. We probably the same age. Bro, I'm not even feeling it today, man. All my moves is already happening. Like, you getting the money and I'm getting the money, the fuck is we beefing about? You getting the money and I'm getting the money, the fuck is we beefing about? And I'm getting the money, the fuck is we beefing about? You getting money and I'm getting the money, the fuck is we beefing about? Then no, I'm not 19. Yeah, you ain't that far off. I'm 23. Why not? I don't know. I feel like it's different now going live because I'm trading my live account, and a lot of my moves are already being. I mean, I'm not back testing today. When I'm in my combine, I usually just stay on my combine, trading my combine. With my live account, I be swing trading my shit. I usually be swing trading. It really be what it is. All my moves is happening. Look, I was on Come On, give y'all my gold update on that sale. Get that long update on that M&Q. Right when I sat down at my computer, I freaking got wicked out. I thought this was that move. Like, I'm like, boom, bet. I've been in profit all day long. I'm like, bet. That's that move down. No, sir. Give me that motherfucking money. I didn't even notice we was forming that AMD setup right when I was in there too. We was forming that accumulation all day. Mm-mm. A part of me want to getting a gold long. Oh, I might just wait. Man, I wanted that setup so bad. I've been waiting on that setup for 2 freaking days. Well, 2 days, one day. I played it yesterday and I made money off of it. Then I was waiting for the continuation of it today. I wanted that setup so bad. Honestly, Marsha, what just happened with my live, bro. Honestly, for gold, I I really wanted that sale. So if it do go long, I'll just be looking for a re-entry. I really was. I really wanted that sale. Like all of this up here is a selling range for me. Like all of this up here was a selling range. Yeah. Targeting back down the lows. At least targeting back down to this 4-hour FVG. So now I'm just waiting to see what price. Now I'm just looking to see what price want to do. If it want a long, I want that thing to long back up now. Boom, boom, boom. Call some taste. Good stuff. Top Dog, I appreciate your follow. Jab, I appreciate you too. Bro, what is going on with my live, bro? TikTok about gonna keep me all live, bro. What are you doing, bro? son. Down 600 today. You gonna make it back, bro. I use TradingView and Trade Locker. You gonna make that money back. I'm down today too. Nah, I'm not buying nothing right now. I was already in some setups before I went live. Then I got wicked out right before I got on. I was already in my setups. So now I'll just be waiting for the next setup that I see. I was in this long on MNQ. I took profit on there, but I thought I was in more lots, so I would have made my money back if I would have entered in the correct lots for my long. And y'all see, you'll see down here my lots. See, I'm in a penny lot for mini M&Q. Like, it's okay to be in a penny lot when you trading that gold. It's up, daddy got this, it's up. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Yep, entered in on the wrong lot size. I would have made that money right back off this long on M&Q. Hold on, let me not play that right now. No. Yeah, what's the difference? What's the difference with what? You have a child account? What the hell is a child account? What's the difference? I have a child account and start trading. What's a child account? I've never heard of that. I think I'll be seeing you go live sometimes, Park. I think I'll be seeing you go live. Keep doing your thing. You down from New York? Yeah. I show it be like that. Like I said, I was in that gold trade all day. Like since last night, I was in that gold sale. Right before I went on live today. Yeah, I'll show y'all. Right before I jumped on live, that mug came up, wicked me out, and ran right down where I wanted it. Then I was like, bet. I'm about to make that money right back. I entered in on this M&Q, but I entered in at a penny lot instead of a 10-cent lot. What time frame I'm on? I'm on 5 minute right now, but I mark everything on my higher time frame. So I only enter on my lower time frame. You be live. Yeah, I be seeing you live sometimes. Yeah. I be seeing you doing your thing. A custodial account. I've never heard of that. I've never heard of a custodial or child account. I've never heard of that. Yeah, I have a strategy. I have a mix of ICT, volume and order flow. I really use like fair value gaps, order blocks, my fib, etc. Yeah. Well, today was just gonna be me going over my setups. Tough love. I appreciate your follow. McClaim, I think her name McClaim. I appreciate you. Why Nas over US 30? Nas is just what I started off trading. I started off trading Nas, so it's just what I'm used to. Just what I'm used to. Yep. I know what I want. Know what I want. I know what I want. We could see a little push back up on gold. Well, I'll just have to wait. I'll just be waiting for another setup. Oh, everything up here, because like I was saying the other day, everything up here is a selling range just from running my field. Yeah, everything up here is a selling range for me. Yeah, right over 361. I want. I know what I want. Know what I want. I know what I want. Know what I want. I know what I want. Yeah. Me personally, I'm just gonna be waiting for my next setup. Y'all know I like catching. I like catching turkey legs. I don't like catching little baby moves. I like a turkey leg, boy. Patrick, what's the word? Orb and Silver Bullet. Yeah, Orb and Silver Bullet though. I think that only works doing New York, or I think they are New York. They're New York. I don't trade them, but I think when I was like looking at, it, I think it was like a New York strategy. Dang, Patrick, you just followed. You been in here. You been in here like 3 times already. I appreciate you, though, my boy. Trying to get as much liners as you can. Yeah, I feel you, bro. You got it. YouTube University. You gotta really want it and be invested in it. Like it's not gonna be one of those things. It's like okay, I watch 5 minute video today, then I watch 5 minutes. I'll watch another video 3 days from now. No, it's every day. It's every day. Yeah. What you watching though? That's the question. What are you learning? I mean, everybody find something that's comfortable for you, of course. I don't want to tell you what I like. I mean, I'll tell you what I think. What I think you should be watching and learning. What's the word, Daniel? Different things. Yeah, I will find like different things, but I will fine tune it as in like fine tune it into like a strategy. Like I said, like I can only tell you what I find like best. Like I said, like before my first 4 months, I was a trend line breaking retest trader. Like you can trade that way, but there's a certain way that you have to trade it. Like there's a certain way you have to trade it. I'm not that kind of trader. I like to catch full turkey leg moves. Like I wanna be able to look at any market and understand where it's going. That's the type of trader I am. So I switched into a more ICT, fib level AMD, like turtle soup AMD power 3. I mark out everything on my higher time frame. So for you, I feel like just like watch, understand how to use your fib, understand price action, so breaker structure, continuation, understand when prices create higher highs, higher lows, when we change what's a change in state direction, like things like that. Understanding what your candles mean, your wicks, understanding what like your wicks mean in your candles. That's what I say. But also, you will start to find out what kind of trader you are just from watching videos. You will find out what kind of strategy and stuff works for you. Like you take bits and pieces. Like you take bits and pieces what other people are teaching you, and bits and pieces what you learn, and you just combine it. Like you'll understand everything works together, bro. Like everything works together. Yep, everything works together. It's kind of hard to wrap your head around it. Like it was hard for me to wrap my head around it at first when I first like got introduced to like a bunch of different strategies. Because I'm like, how like you can be a trend line trader and still trade ICT. Like you can trade all of it together. That's the thing. And a lot of people would try to get you confused about that. They're like, you only gotta pick one. You can only pick one, bro. You can take bits and pieces from anything that works for you and make one powerful strategy. One powerful strategy for you. But you have to know what you're looking at. Like you have to understand it. This way, kind of YouTube, yeah. I don't even be watching. Like I see like other traders trade, but I don't even watch like other traders trade. I feel like that's how you get like once you get your strategy and have an idea of what you do. I don't even watch other traders trade for real because it just that's how you get lost in the sauce. There's so many different ways to make money. You gonna see somebody making less money than you, somebody making more money than you, and you're gonna be wanting to switch up your whole strategy, something you've been practicing. Don't do it. You can take bits and pieces of what they're saying and doing, but don't switch your whole flow. No, I'm not in trade right now. You gotta make it make sense for real on me. Richard, I appreciate your follow. Want me to walk you through as soon as what I would do as soon as I touch my screen? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you, bro. Here, I'll do a top-down analysis for you, bro. Like, I gotta be nice. I got you. All right. So, what you want to look at? I'll mark up any mark you want to mark up. Type. I'm gonna use a bathroom. Say a ticker name. I'll mark up the ticker and show you what I would do. Oh, do. Yeah, you don't got a ticker symbol you want to look at? Dynasty, I appreciate your gifts too. I didn't even see that. I appreciate you. You want to look at gold, M and Q? If not, I'm just gonna mark something up. I can't believe I got wicked out of my gold, bro. That's $200 on my live account. Y'all don't know how happy I would have been. So happy flipping my account like that, bro. Boop, quick little flip. Gold. All right, say less. All right, I'm gonna delete my whole chart too. All right, I'm gonna turn my music up too. So the first thing I'll do when if I'm looking at a chart or looking at anything, I go to my higher time frame. I go straight to my weekly. Like, especially if it's a market that I haven't traded or like something that I haven't marked up yet in a while, I go straight to my weekly, read my weekly. Then some of this might not make sense to you because I know you're still learning, but once you start learning, you'll get it. So I look for order blocks for value gaps. I look for like accumulation. I kind of just look at the trend, what prices are doing. Like, okay, creating higher highs, higher lows. Then you look at price now. It's like, okay, like dang, like if I was looking at my weekly, I'm like, dang, like we just been consolidating. We just been trading. We just been trading within this zone. So I really wouldn't mark anything out here, but you can. Like, this would be an order block. Like, these are like this green candle would be a weekly order block. This red candle would be a weekly order block. So I'll just leave this mark right here. So say this my weekly bullish order block. Boom. And that's really all I would look for. You can run your fib levels on your weekly too. I go over my field levels and why I have like different field levels as well. But just very quickly, when you run a fib as well, you run it from order block to order block. So you will run it from your green to your red. And this will let you know like, okay, your buying range, your selling range, everything. So this is why I was so focused on the short as well, running my fib. I'm gonna move my numbers too so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe that helps a little bit. But everything in this zone right here was a selling zone for me. Like this, so that's why I've been taking selling setups on gold. Yes, the news, I know everything like that. Yeah, I know the news, everything, blah 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 blah. But just looking at like what I see, like my technicals and looking at the chart, I see like this is a selling range. Like that's why I was looking for a sale and a dump. So I will look at my weekly, then I go to my daily. Now this is where I really start marking kind of my stuff up. Okay, you read price like a book. You read price from left to right. So you just read price, kind of understanding what has it done. Okay, we fell down, took out some lows. Okay, price came up, took out these highs. Okay, boom. Then we just started consolidating. We just been moving in the zone left to right. I wouldn't mark any something that can help you out if you really want to like just to get used to it. You see potential on XRP F16. Yeah, I see potential on XRP long term. I wouldn't buy in at the high though. A lot of people will buy in right now. I think all crypto is gonna drop very soon, sooner than later. I use a mix of TradingView and TradeAvate. Wizard, I appreciate your follow. Home, I appreciate your follow. All right, but look. So one thing that helps, the one thing that can help, just read price left to right. Right, mark up your order blocks and see what has been mitigated and see what price done. So okay, we had an order block here. Okay, boom. Even if you just left this order block, price reject. Okay, looking at the rejection, looking at rejections. Okay, just take it and move. I just take it and move it into where it's unmitigated or to where price is at now. So unmitigated, we're in an unmitigated. I mean, it's mitigated now, but we're in this daily order block. This is why I also was in it, like looking for a sale as well. So you move it over, you just keep moving it over. Okay, price came up, rejected off multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just rejecting. Okay, boom. Then we got this daily order block here where we're at now. So this would be your daily bearish order block. This probably gonna help me find a setup. I ain't gonna fake it. So I'll mark this red, and this should be your daily bearish order block right here. So when you think about order blocks, think of them kind of like as your supply and demand zone. And you can just look at that. Just look at your order blocks. Just look at that. This will be your bullish order block. What does price do when it gets down to your bullish order block? That's your supply zone. Like prices. Is that your supply or demand? No, that's your. What is that? Why am I mixing it up? Which one is it? I just got a brain fart. Damn, I just got a brain fart. Demand. Yeah, this would be your demand. I don't know why I just got a brain fart for a second. Yeah, and price is long. Then I'll do the same thing, kind of just reading price from left to right. Left to right. And this is all on my daily too. So I just look at price, seeing how price reacted. Yep. Seeing how price reacted. Okay. Then this is where you can decide as a trader. So you can have this order block here. I mean, this is a better order block if you really want to be serious. Like if you really want to like do this, I wouldn't mark this out because I don't like how close these zones are. So I wouldn't even mark that. I would just mark my daily bearish order block up here. Okay. Then you look, that's your order blocks. Now I would be looking for just fair value gaps. Looking for fair value gaps. One thing about me usually with fair value gaps, I kind of just look to the, like, look at where price is. I look to the left of it, kind of just to see, like, and just kind of just to see what price has done at all these fair value gaps, kind of like close to the left. Okay. Then eventually you will mark it up to where price is at now. So but yeah, once you start like getting a hang of it, all of this will make a lot more sense to you once you like really start getting into it. So boom. So this will be my daily FEG right here. Boom. So look, what am I looking for in this zone? What I'm looking for here, I'm looking for price to short here, and I'm looking for price to come to this daily fair value gap, where I would be looking for a continuation upward, for price either to be grading a higher low, or I'll just be looking to take profit here. Boom. That's another reason why I was like in the short. And you can do the same thing here, like running your fib levels. It's a little bit trickier here when you see this. Gold loves to do dynamic highs and lows. It's just like accumulation, but it makes it look like it's creating higher. It's like creating higher lows, but this is still accumulation. That's another reason why I was looking for that short. Okay. Hopefully this making some sense to you. Mendel, we can have a trade-off if you want to. Just DM me. We can have a trade-off and go live and show everybody. Just DM me. We can set up a time and go live and have a trade-off in front of everybody. Yep, demand. Yep, thank you. Cause thank you y'all who said the man. I sure had a brain for it. Yep. Wizard, I appreciate you. I think I already said that. Ghost, I appreciate you too. Yep. Using the app and the tools. It's making sense to you? Good. Good. Pop, I appreciate your follow. Mm-mm-mm. I love when I offer somebody a trade off and they never respond. Be some fucking goofies, bro. Like shit, we can have a trade off and show everybody. Shit, I don't got nothing to prove. But all right, you just do from order block to order block again when you run your field levels. So it like what I was saying again, it can be a little bit tricky, especially when you're trying to get used to your field levels. Like you can run it within these zones, but I wouldn't necessarily run it within these zones because it's kind of like the same as my accumulation range. So I just run it from my order block high to my low here, and this is another reason why I was also in a sale. So it'll be something called like fib clusters. So when you have multiple fib levels confirming that position. So it'd be multiple fib levels confirming that sell position. So that's what I be looking for. I look for just like I look for like okay my fib levels. Like I have a selling fib level. I have a bearish order block. Then you will have like rejection off of FVG. That's all screaming sell to me. Sell, 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 sell. And that's why I was so hooked on that sell for like the past 2 days for that gold. Because I'm like, bro, I know what the news is saying. And I've all like we already loaned up. We're already in this bearish zone. And I'm like, bro, like I just see a sale. And it's just been hanging around. Like gold just been hanging around town. But yeah, so that would be my daily. Yeah, I was talking about the trade off. Yep. So the FEG is where the wicks. The FEG is where the wicks are. It's a 3 point formation. It's a 3 point formation. Yeah. I be offering people like the people who come in here. They be talking stuff. I offer them to a trade off. They don't ever respond. But I will be hosting trade offs in here though. I'm gonna start doing that. Yep. I'm gonna be doing like some friendly trade off competitions and stuff. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be in them too. So yep, I will be participating in my own trade off. But I be offering people. I mean, shit, you talk shit. I be like, shit, okay, we can have a one-on-one trade off and set up a time. Shit, I don't got nothing to prove. How do you open a demo? How do you open a demo account? I mean, shit. You can get one on TradingView. You can search up shit free trading demo account. I think they got them. I think they might got them on Webull. I know they got it on. Where else they got them? I think they might have got something on Tradeovate maybe Tradeovate or TradingView. Not TradingView, but Tradeovate. I think they might have like a little 14-day or 7-day demo. Um, yeah, yeah. I don't remember. You have to look. You have to look up some more examples. So far, I appreciate your follow too. Safe. Manny, I appreciate your follow. Motherfucker talking about you look cute. Get these motherfuckers out of here, man. Yeah. I mean, we gonna start getting better with gold too. I just started trading gold, literally. It's only my second day trading gold. Second day trading gold. Yeah, it's been fun, but I can't. I still can't believe price decided to just run up real quick, wig me out, then it ran down right to where I wanted it to, and it's still hanging around downtown. All right, but yeah, hopefully this all makes sense to you. I'll go for my weekly, my daily, then I'll go to my 4 hour, and I'll do the same thing. So price right to left, then I'll do the same thing. So your fair value gap, I know somebody asked me this. Your fair value gap would be your 3 point, your 3 candle formation. So if you just look in here, look where our daily fair value gap is. It's still a fair gap. We got 1, 2, 3. This space in between is the fair value gap. Like all of this in between is a fair value gap. So it'll be here to here. That'll be your 4 hour fair value gap. Then where do we see another one at? We have another one here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a whole gap in between where no price section is at. This would be a 4 hour FEG. Here it is, another one right here. 1, 2, 3. Another 4 hour FEG. Of course, price is running exactly where I wanted it to. I'm still stuck on that, bro. I'm still stuck on that. I'm still stuck on that gold trade, bro. But yeah. But I mark, weekly, daily, 4 hour. Honestly, the lowest time frame I really mark stuff on is my hourly. I would sometimes mark up a 30-minute. But other than that, like my 15, I enter my 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, or 1 minute. So, and I look for a certain move when it gets to my zone. I just look for bullish engulfing move. I look for just reversal signals when it gets to my zone. And like when you watch me trade, you'll see me kind of switch between my time frames. I'll switch between my 15-minute, my 5-minute, my 3-minute, my 1 minute, just seeing what I see in those moves. So what you do, you just wait for price to get to your higher time frame zone. You already have your zone mapped out. Like that's something I don't do. I don't go down. I might do it sometimes to catch like a re-entry, but I'm not going down to my 5-minute, marking up 5-minute FEGs, and I've already marked up daily, 4 hour, hourly, higher time frame zones. You enter off your higher time frame zones because it holds more value. Like it's more value. I'm not going to my 5-minute. Like I'm not marking up all my higher time frame stuff, and I'm not going down to my 5-minute. And I'm not zooming in on my 5-minute like okay, we have a 5-minute FEG here. Like I'm not doing that. Like I'm not coming to my 5-minute and my 1 minute marking up FEGs and stuff. That's how you get this. That's how you just gonna get washed out. You only do that. I'm only doing that to catch reversal, like not reversal, but to catch a continuation. All markets open right now. I enter off my I got a Discord. It's him. Link in my bio. I enter off the lower time frames. That's how you get a better risk management. You able to get a tighter stop loss, a better entry. I mean, you can enter off the higher time frames too. I do that too sometimes, but I usually enter off like my 15-minute, 5-minute. Just get a better entry, be able to have a tighter stop loss. Because you enter on your 4 hour, like, yeah, honestly, like if I'm entering here, my stop loss will be all the way under here, 413, right? Like, I'll enter here. Say if I'm entering here when I go long, like, right? I'll be like, okay, I enter in long, boom, stop loss under these lows to my left. Okay, yeah, lows right here. Okay, like, yeah, we might have took them out, but my stop loss will be all the way down here at 413. But if I'm going down to my 15, like if I'm going to like a 15-minute, now you're able to get tighter. So if I'm going long here, I'm like, okay, maybe instead of being at 413 or all the way down here at 404, I'm able to get a little tighter. So maybe I'm able to be like, okay, now I'm at 415, or okay, now I'm at 419 for a stop loss. So, and the same thing for like your 5-minute. But you wait for price to get to your zone to react. Wait for it to be in your zone. Bro, this fucking gold pissing me off, bro. I'm not gonna fake it with y'all, bro. This gold irritated me, man. That's like hurting my soul right now. I was holding that trade since last night just for it to in profit all day. I'm like, bro, I know gold going down. I'm at work chilling. I'm like, bro, I know I'm about to flip my live account. Boom, I'm about to flip my live account. Double it, triple it, flip it. Boom. Cash in the bank. Just like that. I sit down. Look, I'm sitting down, getting comfortable, starting up my live. I load up my trading view. I see that motherfucker wick. I said, hold on. Did that wick me out? Come back. Motherfucker wicked me out, then ran down. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Sad. Look, Jazz, come on now. Look, sad. I'm at work chilling all day. I'm like, yep. They don't even know, boy. I just made my daily salary today, boy, off my live account. I'm chilling. Chilling. I ain't worried about nothing. I know gold going down. Look, I know gold going down. It went down, but not after it took me out. World, I appreciate your follow. Ear, I appreciate your follow. But yeah, that's how I do my top-down analysis. I don't even know if he's still in here. But yeah, that's how I do my top-down analysis. I always start on my weekly. Then I just move down from there. Yep. Weekly, then move down from there.
Just normal stuff. She said congrats. I mean, yeah, it was really too much.
But yeah, that's about it. Like, man, I don't even know. My setup already going. Like, I'll just be waiting. I'll just be waiting for my next setup. I'll just be waiting to see how price react on this daily OB. I mean, we're close there. We're like basically there now, but I would still be in this short for my trade, so I wouldn't even be looking. I would really be targeting all the way down here, just having it rolling, swing trading it. So now I'm gonna be waiting to see what price want to do, and just waiting for my next setup, man. It hit different. It hit different when you trading your real money, bro. It hit different for real. I low key like it a lot more than trading and doing a combine. I'ma still do it, like still do my combine, but I do I like having no rules or restrictions in my trades. I can literally just swing trade it. It does make trading a little bit easier to just live account it, trade your own money. You downloaded Robinhood. Robinhood, you can't trade. You can only option trade on Robinhood. If you, I mean, unless you want to option trade, but this is day trade. Trading View, you have to pay for Trading View, so you have to pay for live data and everything to get access to paper trading, live data, everything, replay trading. You have to pay on Trading View. You might have a deal going on right now. I pay like 20 $23, $26 a month, something like that for Trading View. What was the risk reward? I risked $10 to make like $200, $300. Nice setup, nice entry, nice setup. But if you want to if you want to start practicing like for free, I'll just use FX Replay, or you can look up like a free demo account. I don't know I just pay for Trading View, and I just started doing like paper trading demo account. I never been like one to demo trade. I didn't even know it existed when I first started trading. I'm only 6 months in, but my first 4 months, I didn't even know paper trading existed at all. Like I didn't even know I can backtest my strategy. I was in combines. I was in one combine a month, like one combine. So yeah, take advantage of that on me. So if you want to just do for free, it won't be live data. Like you won't be like doing live data, but you can still like backtest. Yeah, on me, world, it was so nice. I had a hella nice setup, bro. Hella nice setup. When I tell you my setup was sitting pretty, like I knew that shit was dropping. I knew nobody in the whole world can tell me gold wasn't dropping. Like that's how confident I was earlier, just to get wicked out. Me, everybody, it going long. I'm like, man, I'm looking for that. I'm looking for that short. Like I'm looking for like that retracement back down. That's all I was looking for. Looking for the retracement back down, just to get wicked out. Goddamn asshole, bro. They saw it, man. Goddamn assholes, man. It's part of the journey, though. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted though. How often do I trade? I don't usually trade. I work 9 to 5. So I don't. I'm usually in the trade by then, like, and just letting it sit. It kind of just depends on my setup though. If I see a clean setup while I'm at work, I'll just take it from my phone. But usually I'm in a trade for like 10 plus hours. Sometimes I'm in a trade. I'm usually in a trade for some hours. I'm switching between gold and Nasdaq. I'm about to get off though pretty soon. Going to get off soon. I don't want to mispronounce your name, but I low key want to try Ivania. Ivania. Am I even close? Ivania. Ivania. I appreciate your follow. I appreciate your follow though. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. On me, gots the back test. Got a back test. Got a back test. Yeah, I also use my field. I use my field levels as well to help with my risk to reward. That's why I also have a lot of like. That's why my field level, like when you see my field level, it look a lot. It looks a lot crazier than a lot of people's. These are my run. These are run on liquidity zones. So you can. I just tell people write them down and do your own back testing on them. But yep, run on extreme reversal points. And that's why some people be at like. I get questions like, how the hell did you know it's gonna reverse there? Or how did you have an idea it was gonna do this or do that? Bro, fucking fib levels, dude. Y'all still using them default fib levels. Them default fib levels ain't telling you shit but the basics. They ain't telling you shit but what the regular man telling you. Yeah. I think it's still going down. Are you asking me what my win rate is? It could possibly still go down. It's probably gonna retrace. It's probably gonna retrace back up for a little bit though. We might see a little pop back up. I would want it to. I would want it to drop some more. But I'll just have to now. I'm just waiting to see because my move is already happening. So I will already be in this play short. So it could continue back. It could continue back lower. We could see some retracement back up to the hot side. But if we get some retracement back to the upside, I'll just be looking kind of to see if I'm gonna look for another re-entry. Just be looking for a re-entry. No, my win rate is high, but I'm not profitable yet. That's my problem. It's my risk. It be my risk management. But I just changed my strategy up too. So with my new strategy, I've been trading a lot better. But yeah, my win rate isn't a problem. It'd be my risk management sometimes. What's my fib settings? Yeah, I got you. These are just some of the levels I use. I saw your message, Super. I ain't want to be mean, but no, I'm cool. I'm cool on your app. I appreciate you though. Yeah. 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 You can still see a push back up. I wouldn't be expecting like. Also, just following, like, looking to see what some of the news is just saying recently too. No, I got you, Super. Shit, I appreciate you for not getting mad. Shit, and people be getting mad when you say no. I mean, nothing on me, love. I said love on me, world. On me, I appreciate you though. On me, just staying focused. Got to stay at it. Stay at it. Just becoming better and better every day. Now I'm just getting better with my risk management. That's all I need now. Just keep getting better with my risk management. Keep getting better on my entries and my risk management. Yep. Yeah. No problem, Lucky. I appreciate your follow too. Let me turn my on right quick. On me, Supra. On me. On me. I think also like I gotta pay attention to like my lot sizes because I change my lot sizes some like depending on my trade sometimes, and I think that also hurts me too. I'm from Missouri. Yeah. I'm from the Midwest. Man. MYM. Hold on, let me check this out. What the hell is this? This can't be. No, this ain't right. Here we go. Cause what the world was that? This shit about to long, bro. Yeah, this shit like it's about to long. Yeah, this is all unmitigated up here. Look at this, bro. Yeah. This shit probably about to long. This shit probably about to long. This shit look like all of this look unmitigated. All this unmitigated. Yeah. This kind of look like what gold just did, but the opposite direction. This is where it's at now. It's in that 4 hour now. I want to see price create a higher low here. Here. I would want to see price create a higher low here to confirm that buy up. Yeah. You up right now on me. Yeah. On me. I most definitely started small. I just started my live account. I just started my live account a couple days ago. That's why I'm doing penny lot sizes right now. But on that other trade, that gold trade I just had, I did 2 penny lot because I was confident that it was going down. Confident it was going down. It went down, but it came back up and collected me. It carried me on its back. It came up, collected me, and ran. I'm only living right now. I'm gonna get back in a combine when I get back from my vacation. So I'll probably be back in a combine maybe like the second week of August or so. But yeah, I'm going to be doing both. I'm going to be focused on my live account though, building up my live account. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing both though, combine and live account. Honestly though, like if I was somebody who didn't know about combines and only knew about live accounts, I probably would never even do a combine. Maybe I probably wouldn't even do a combo. I like that live account, bro. But that's why when you have a strategy, work on your strategy. You have something that works. Yeah. Hold on. What this shit doing? Yeah, this shit about the Long John Silver, I think. Yeah, bro. Holding up above this 15 minute. Yeah, this shit about the Long John. Oh, me. I didn't even think about that. My emotions probably did take over a little bit. And it sucks too because I wasn't paying attention to it. So like if I was paying attention, I would have been able to get out a little bit earlier. I wasn't paying no attention to it. I'm just chilling. Came home, making me some food, taking a shower. Like literally right when I sat down to go live, I turned on my chart and I saw it was like it just finished waking up. So I just missed it. Like I wasn't even paying attention at all. Yeah. Does Top Step let you trade this Jazz? I'm curious. This isn't too bad. This one isn't too bad. This ticker symbol right here. Oh, they do? Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. Yep, we holding up above this FEG, but just getting a little rejection off this order block. I still think we see a continuation upward. Let's check out my nemesis right now. Let's see what gold doing. I'll still be in this short, having a runner. Look at that shit, man. $200 right here at that 420. Good damn. That's hurt. That's like hurting my soul right now. It's like, dang. Yo. MIMU. Okay. Yeah, that one not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. It created this M, then it created this W. Yeah, we can literally just run this fib too. Yeah. On the 5 minute fib, this is a little rejection area that we're in now. Now let's run a higher time frame. We can run one on our 4 hour. Yeah, this is a W. I think this should probably go up. I'm about to see right now before it drop again. Yeah, we're already running up. This is a reversal level. We could see it run up a little bit more, but if we want to see price break out of here, I want to see it hold up above. Like everything just consolidating. It's just been a weird, newsy week. Yeah, if anything, it could probably come back up to this daily order block. But yeah, I'll be looking for some shorts. I'll be looking for a short setup soon. I'll be looking to catch one of these. Yep. Literally, when I just say just look at the fib, like you can just use the field levels and do your own back testing and just read the levels. Shit, Yeah, you don't gotta listen to me. Just do your own back testing and read the levels that it reverses at. Yeah, this is the middle right here. Boom. Yeah. I'm not even about to force another. I'm not even about to force myself to take a setup. Like I want to force a setup so bad. Like I want to enter a trade so bad, but I just know I don't even need to do all that. Just wait for my next setup. Wait for my next good entry. Then execute. Execute. Nah. On me, Jazz. On me. I'm not even about to do it. It's like that part of you just be wanting to revenge. It's like, bro, what could have been? Like, what could have been trades? But no, just wait for your next setup. So I'll see if we get another pullback. I mean, we getting a little pullback now. Damn, I could have stayed in that long. I took a long. I was in a long on this gold on my other screen, but I exit out of it when price came up here and wicked down. It's always like when you trade, it's always what could have been, what could have been, what could have been. I could have did this, I could have did that. You can't even think like that. So that's what I keep reminding myself. Just gotta let this shit go. Yeah. On me. But yeah, I would still be analyzing gold. Let's see if we can rate a lower. I mean, we're creating a higher low now. We'll see if we want to create a higher high. But also just be paying attention to what some news is saying. Yeah. Oh me. This shit can long up here. Taking out all this liquidity. One thing too that I've been learning and realizing, price sometimes like instead of price like running up to like this wick, price will run up to the order block. Then it would dump. Like, because a lot of us we will be targeting the higher liquidity. But one thing I've been noticing, like I'll have like my TP at the higher liquidity, and price will run up to the order block, then it will reverse. Like it won't even take out, because this isn't the order block. It won't even take out all the liquidity. It'll just run up to the order block, then it'll drop. So I started moving my TPs to the order block. I just been moving my TPs to the order block to make sure I secure a bag. So that'd just be something to look at on your own time. Yeah, man, this shit, bro. We created the hourly FEG. You'll have to see some type of reversal here. Then since we coming up on it now, I guess I'll look at it. I guess I'll look at it. What's the word, Michael? What's the word? But yeah, we'll see what price do here. Then I'm gonna be getting off for the night. I'm not even about to force. I'm not even about to get into that zone of where I want to just force a trade, force a setup. It's not worth it. price is running up to your zone. This is what you do. Run my derivatives. Dun, dun, dun. What the hell am I moving? Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this zone up here, this daily zone, because I'm gonna be using that. I am going to be using this. And I'll just be waiting to see if price just create a higher low here, and we continue downward. Then you just look and see what are we targeting. Okay, if we move lower, what are we targeting? Price could want to reach back down to this order block. I mean to that fair value. Or price can want to continue back downwards to even more into this imbalance. Or you can see another pop to where we do a continuation upward, where price literally just continues, because we're also in this daily order block right here. Oh shit, we just rejected off the daily order block. Yeah, you can easily see a higher high here. So those are just be things you look at. You just look at price on your higher. I look at price on my higher time frame, using my higher time frame zone. And it really just gives you a confluence. Like if you like if you see a strong rejection, okay, then you can be like, okay, what am I targeting next? Boom. Then you just mark out your next target zone. Okay, you can mark up. Then you just mark up your two TPs. Well, at least I would be marking up two TPs here. So like, okay, TP1, I'll have it to 38 or 50. Then final TP, I'll have down at my 70, 78, maybe 100. Right. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna try to get into another setup tonight. No, I'm looking at gold. I'm switching between gold and Nasdaq. I was already in a position earlier, Michael. Oh me, Michael, I feel like you be joining. You join like right when the move already happened, right when I'm about to leave. Oh, my fault if I missed some chats. What's up, username? My fault. Bayan, I appreciate you too. I just saw your message. Really appreciate y'all. Yeah, I won't ever give up. Oh me, you can't give up when you see in progress. That's like the gym. When you go to the gym, you start seeing progress. You start working harder, but once you stop going, nigga, it's over. You ain't going back. You need another year. No, you good, Michael? Shit, everybody be busy, bro. Too. I'm rereading some chats up here that I missed. Nah, y'all good, man. It be like that. Soon, bro. I appreciate your follow. Yeah, yeah. Y'all good. Yeah. The move I wanted. On me, seven. On me, I'm saying, bro. I'm saying that really be how it be with a gym. How you do one thing is how you do everything. And that's one thing I be having to remind myself that. I'm like, all right, how you do one thing is how you do everything. How you do one thing is how you do everything. So it's just trying to apply my best effort in whatever I try to do. Granted, I take my business and trading and everything a lot more serious than other things, of course. Like, but how did it go? Well, long story short, I was holding this gold short since last night, expecting this drop. I've been looking for this drop all freaking day. So I was in profit all day, looking for this drop. I come sit down on the market. Gold decided to wake up. It took me out of my trade. Then it dropped back to where I wanted it to drop. So that's how that gold trade went. It's kind of irritating though. Then I end up catching this NQ long, but I thought I was in a 10 cent lot, but I was in a penny lot. So I only took a dollar or two profit when I should have took like $20 plus profit. So that gold setup was nice. I basically bottom ticked it. That gold trade was nice right here. But I should have made that money that I lost off of my gold trade. I would have made it back here if I was in the right lot size. But I was in the wrong lot size. Looking at here, I should have been in a 10 cent lot instead of a penny lot. So those are how my trades went today. They technically both went my like. I mean, I made money on the gold, but I mean on the MEQ, but not as much as I wanted to. And I mean, gold, it technically went my direction, but it didn't. It decided to weaken me out my play before, because I had my stop loss. I had a stop loss over here at 35. I think my entry was like 30 something. Yeah, this isn't my. I don't think that's my position. Like it's not even showing like my wick out. Like my stop loss was up here somewhere. Yeah. What number is this? Yeah, this say 428. Yeah, this ain't it. My stop loss was somewhere up here. I think I entered in. Did I enter in at 428? Okay, yeah, I think I did two. These are my two entries here. I entered in at last night at 426 and 428. I entered in this short. So I've been holding this short. I've been holding it short for a minute. Holding it. Wicked me out, ran down. On me, username. Hit, you saw the same thing I saw. Monet, I appreciate your follow. Yeah. 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 It's not showing. Here it is. Is this my stop out? 36. Yeah, maybe this is it. Right here. 36. Yeah, 36.64. 30. Yeah, these are my stop out then. I got stopped out at 36.64. Yeah, I got stopped out somewhere around here. Red on Smith, I appreciate you. Yep. That's some fucking bullshit, bro. Every time I think about it, that shit just grind my gears, bro. It feels different when you actually make money off your on your live account using your real money. That shit feel good. But staying focused, moving on. We're gonna move on to the next play. We're gonna get another setup. Right now, I'm not even about to force another setup tonight, force a trade because I'm low key irritated. My emotions up. On me, I'ma catch it. Stop hunting like crazy, bro. That one got you too, man. We was all probably in the same setups, bro. Same setups. Shit, I've been teaching all night, Monet. Shit, I hope you've been taking notes. We've been teaching for free all night. And I will eventually start like a mentorship later on. But I want to prove to myself and make my profits consistently first. I know I can do it. I just gotta do it. Damn, you just got here. Damn, on me, shit. You just got here. I done been teaching this whole time. I'll help you out. One thing you want to learn. What's one thing you want to like learn or go over, if you have any idea? But yeah, I teach for free. I mean, I'm always teaching when I'm live. So learn for free now, cause once I really start making my money, you gonna shit. My time is valuable by then. You gonna have to pay me. You follow me? I appreciate your follow too. Key, I appreciate you. Yeah, of course. I don't know. That's just the type of guy I am. Like I can easily start a mentorship right now. But why would I do that? Why would I start a mentorship and charge someone for a course if I'm not consistently making profits myself? And that's something that you gotta ask yourself. Because a lot of y'all be buying courses from people who don't even have a track record of ever even being consistent. You too much. You take too much of their word. Like you should have a little bit more. Like you should have a little bit more self respect for yourself to want some type of proof, to want to see your track record, to want to see like y'all react so much off the word. Fuck a word. I don't care. That's why I never. That's why I was never a fan of buying a course or something like that. It's too much. It's too much manipulation in the world where I don't care what you. I don't care what money you made. I don't care what you doing. I'ma learn whatever. I'm not paying you to learn. I'm sorry. Shit. That's just me personally. Shit. All right, my fault, money. What you say, Nikki? I appreciate you too. No problem. I'm just starting. Don't want to jump into it. Just want to learn and practice first. Yep, demo train. It depends who you pay for. Yep. Don't just pay anybody. On me. And one thing too, a lot of y'all are quick to pay before you even know. Like, cause I've seen people teach courses and the only thing they teach you is the basic terminology. It's like, bro, you could have learned that. You could have did one Google search and learned all of that. Like, but yeah, I was in Webull paper trading, but I'm a little lost. Okay, Monet, what do you trade? Like, do you have a strategy at all? Like, what do you trade now? Like, what do you when you look for a trade or look for a setup? Like, is there a strategy? Are you looking for trend lines? Are you looking at your MACD? Are you looking at RSI? Are you looking at the moving averages? Or are you just entering? I mean, people getting a rush. Yeah, yeah. People really getting a rush, and that's one thing you're gonna learn. You're not in competition with anybody but yourself. It's you versus you. You versus you. Let everybody talk. Let everybody do what they do, and you just keep doing what you're doing. Stay on your own personal grind. That's what I keep saying. Like I be sounding like an a-hole sometimes, but I genuinely do not care what someone else is doing. I don't care how much money you made. I don't care what you got going on. I genuinely do not care. Like, and that's the thing. People be so worried about other people, they can never focus on themselves. How long did it take you to make profits? I guess 6 months. 6 months. I'm on my 6 months. Yeah, started making profit. I mean, I just started my live account, and I've been making profit. I just lost my trade today, but I guess 6 months. But I need to see my profit consistently. But I just started my live account, so we'll see. Candle Chichi, but I know how to read the market move. Okay, you don't know how to read the market. What's the best software? It depends on what you like. It depends on what you like, and it depends on what type of trading you do, live account or if you're doing combine. So, are you doing combine or live You got the basics down. Everybody basics are different too, because my basics can be more advanced and your basics can be more advanced than me. Because my basics, when I talk about it, like fib levels and stuff, it's a lot more advanced to some other people. But okay, you want to learn market movement. If you want to really learn like market movement, I would say learn your fib. Learn about the fib. Learn about fib levels. Learn about fib levels, breaker structure, a continuation when prices kind of know how to read price. So when prices are creating higher highs and higher lows. So right now, price right now, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. You got to look at long term. Like you can look at long term, but you can also look at what price is doing now. For me, I'm more of like I'm more like when I'm swing trading, I'm more of a long term person. Like what is price doing long term? Okay, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Then you can look at what is price doing now. Like, okay, this is a higher low. Price broke this low. So you can easily be looking for, okay, maybe I'm looking for a short term push down. Then that's when you map it up. That's when you pull out like your fib levels, and that's when you map it up with your fair value gaps. So it's like, okay, price broke that low. So what do I want to see price do for it to continue lower? I want to see price create a lower high or a higher. Was that a higher low? No, a lower high. I want to see price create a lower high here and make a lower low. I don't want to see price break through, creating a higher high, because then that will let me know, okay, it looks like price is gonna continue back upward. So just like little subtle things like that, like understanding like, okay, what the price moving and just like little some subtle things. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Sort of what Michael Flynn, order flow. Basically, what I'm teaching, order flow, general trend. So one thing, this kind of just helped me. I don't trade this way anymore, but this is something that can potentially help you out, and maybe you end up liking this way. But just simply getting used to like the market trend. So like, man, I haven't drawn a trend line in so long, dog. So look at market. You can draw like a market trend. Again, I don't trade this way anymore, but you might find benefit of this, especially when like trying to learn. So you can mark out your market trend. Okay, market's in this uptrend and creating higher lows. You can draw it to the upside too. Like, okay, boom. Then a lot of people, when you trade that trend, a lot of people are usually breakout trend traders. So what they'll do is, like a price breakout to the upside, okay, I'm looking for a long setup. I'm looking for a retest and long. Or a price breakdown to the downside, I'm looking for a break and retest down. But one thing I noticed when I was trendline trading is that I never fully understood the real price movement. Like I was easily manipulated in certain moves, or I would just genuinely miss the whole move. Like if price is going short, right, and if I had a trend line here, I wouldn't catch that move until price has already moved down 100 ticks, like 100 points. So price has already dropped 100 points. So I'm catching a price while it's already at a bottom. You get what I'm saying there? You buy low, sell high. So just keep that in mind as well. But learning trend as well can also help you starting out. Yep. 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 But I'm gonna always be running through stuff and teaching as well when I'm live, as always. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video about my fib level too. I need to find some time to do that, like a little fib level video. Yeah, this is aftermarket. What is the best software for live day trading forex with good leverage? I use a trade locker. I'm connected to KOT4X. Then I connect my KOT4X to my trade locker. But I use personal. I don't really use like leverage. I use whatever money I put in there. Yep, volume and price action. Yep. How do you enter trade? What exactly is a position? How do you? It depends on what software you use, but if I was in like if you was in Trading View, it would tell you. So like in Trading View, there's a market sell and there's a limit order as well. So you got a limit buy, a limit sell, and market sell. So a limit sell allows you to kind of just like place a position. Oh damn, I can't even see it. It allows you to place a position before price gets to your level. So you kind of place an order expecting price to get to that level. A market buy is when you buy price like right now. So I really don't care about all of this right here. But go back, limit buy. You could do a limit buy, so I can have a limit order down here. So I could be like, okay, when price come down here, I want to be in my buy because I know it's going back up. So you do limit buy, limit sales, and you can also do market buy. So when you market buy, you buy price now, right? In different software, usually like to drag your take profit and stop loss, you can use just click it and drag on different software. On TradingView, it tells you TP is your take profit, SL is your stop loss. So you can draw down your stop loss. It'll tell you how much you're risking. You can move up your TP. It'll tell you how much you're making. So are you asking me how do I know when to enter a trade? Like how do you know when to enter it? And when you know how to enter it, you enter it off your, I know bearish or bullish. I know when it's going up or down. I think it's about those numbers. You can predict the market just by off the fib. That's like he's saying, you gotta learn your fib. You can have a highly more educated guess off your fib levels to really know. And you can use your fib as entries as well. So what I like to combine the order block, a fair value gap, and my fib levels for entries confirmation. So if I have a bearish order block, I have a bearish FVG, and we're in a selling range on my fib. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a sell. On me, key levels, order blocks, fair value gaps. Some of y'all know, some of y'all call it PD arrays. Yep. Order block, fib, and fair value gap. That's how I enter, and that's how like that's how I be catching them long turkey legs off my fib. Like I'm about to show y'all right here. That's how we catch those moves. You just run that fib. You can run it from the low order block to order block. Where's my buying range? My buying range is between my 6-1 and my 88 range. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for a fair value gap and an order block. Sometimes you don't get both. But that's when you gotta understand, like, so here, okay, and that's when you gotta understand, like, okay, I'm entering off my order block. So as you can see here, order block, price came down within our range, our buying range, and it bought. So those are how you catch kind of like those continuation moves and those bounce back up. So order block, I'm looking for FEG. Not really a FEG here. So anything off this move, you enter off straight order block. So I'll find another example too. And sometimes you get moves like this as well, where price continues up. So what do? You try to find your fair value gap in your order block. You kind of find out what's closest to you. So you use all of that as confluences. So we have a fair value gap here, and we don't have no other. Okay, FEG here. Then we don't have any other FEG within our buying range. Only other thing we have is an order block here. So what are we looking for in our zones? Okay, we know our buying range. Okay, our like high probability buying range that I'm looking for is between my 618 and my 88. Sometimes you don't get that. And that's why you also use your zones. So we have two FEGs here, really close to our buying range. Anything under that 50 would be a discount range for me. So let's look at our 4 hours, see what we got. Okay, boom, perfect. This is literally perfect right here. You go to your 4 hour, look at this. Fair value gap. This is our 1 hour order block that was right here. And I ran that on my hour. You can run this on your 4 hour. Run it on your hour. Run it on a weekly. But boom. Run it there. I'm gonna go back to my hour where I had it at. I like that a little better. So boom. This is our 4 hour gap right here. And where we at? All of this is still this would still be a buying range. Personally, I would still kind of be like, okay, I want price to come a little lower. I would want price to come a little bit lower, but sometimes you don't get that. And that's why when you see price kind of in your higher time frame gap, once you get used to it, you kind of understand. Like if you have an order block in a fair value gap and they right next to each other, that's usually that buying zone. If you have an order block but your fair value gap a little ways away, price usually likes to react on one of the two. It's either gonna be your fair value gap or it's gonna be the order block. It's not gonna be like it's not gonna be like that double confirmation. It's gonna react on one of the two. So when you come here, you can go to your lower time frame. You can get rid of that. And what did price do? When price get in your zone, you're looking for some engulfing candles. I'm looking for engulfing candles. Okay, price sold off in my level. Okay, boom, we got these engulfing green candles on the move back up. Okay, so what I'm doing, what I would do here, price moving up, either I might enter in already and just have a stop loss down here and just ride it out until my next fib level, or you can literally just wait for re-entry. Here, I'm getting ahead of myself. Or you can literally just wait for pullbacks. Okay, price came up here. It created this imbalance on this FEG, and we also still have this middle, this encroachment right here, right on this 4-hour FEG here. So you either looking for a price to come through, retest, break through, and enter, or if you miss it and want to catch a re-entry, you can kind of just mark out your FEGs. When price come down to your FEG, respect it, you can enter. So even when price came, like price can come all the way down here. Once you see price come here and still hold up above, it's holding up below this FEG. Boom. When I see it close up above, you can just re-enter that. Boom. Re-enter it. You can put stop loss behind here. If I'm swing trading, I'll probably have my stop loss under here, my 151. But that's how I use my fib. And I'm about to show y'all again. But hopefully it makes a little bit. Oh, did y'all even see that? Could y'all even see all that? Whatever. Hopefully I did. Yeah, I'm on MQ right now, just going over. On me. I'm switching between MQ and gold. Yep. Los Ray, I appreciate your follow. I'm on TradingView right now. What did Keith say? What trading stuff? Yeah, I'm on TradingView right now. Yep. You'll see me switch between like a lot of different screens. Like I got different charts up on different things. Like this is my live. Like usually when you see this screen right here, I know it's hard to see. It be like that sometimes. Like if you see this or anything, I'm on my live account. I'm on Trade Locker. Like if you see, I don't know how to get rid of these positions yet on my Trade Locker. But usually if you see like this, I'm on my Trade Locker. If you see this and you see these numbers down here, like if I do this, then I'm on my TradingView. Bro, famous last words. I'ma hop off, bro. Dude. Every single time I say I'm gonna get offline, I stay on for another hour. Mason, I appreciate your follow. Beef, I appreciate your follow. Hill, I appreciate your follow too. Oh me, bro. Every time I say I'm gonna get offline, I always tend to stay on. Like I be trying, man. Trying to help y'all out the best I can. But yeah, tonight I'm not forcing a trade. I'm not even about to do it to myself. I did enter that long for that goal, but I got out of it. Could have stayed in it. I'm not even about to wish. I'm not even about to dwell on it. It happened. Prices started to wick me out before it went down. It happens. Yeah. Boy, I'll be looking for a sale. Price come up here in my zone. Look, I'm using this again on my hourly. Right into my sale zone. I got this wick box up here. Man, price come up here. I'll be looking to see what price do. I'll be looking to take a quick little scalp. Quick little sale. Thank you. Come again, buddy. Thank you. Come again. Thank you. Come again. Let me take a little sale here. First TP at my 50. Then have a runner. First TP 50. Then have a runner. So that's probably what I'm going to be looking at. be looking at something like that. Something like that. No, I don't watch 1 minute charts mostly. No. The chart I watch the most is probably my 15 minute. But I switch, like when I'm about to enter, I'll switch between my 15, my 5, my 3, and my 1 minute. But I don't stay on my 1 minute, especially if I'm not in my zone yet. I only zoom into my lower time frames when price gets inside my zone. Michael, I appreciate you sharing a lot too. You tried? What you mean you tried demo? I've tried demo. What about it, Michael? What about it? Did you like it? Did you do good? Share equals dubs. On me. I appreciate you, Mike. W Michael as always. W Michael as always. Look, I'm staying live for you, Michael. I know you came in a little late today. I'm staying live for you. Oh, that's what you tried. Yeah. All right, on me, my famous last words. I'm about to hop off. Shit. I be saying I'm gonna get offline like 10 times and never get offline, bro. I feel like every time I'm about to get offline, I always ask y'all, do they have questions? And every time I ask that, I stay online for even longer. But I'm gonna ask again. Anybody got anything, any questions, anything they want me to go over right quick before I hop online? I'm not looking for any more setups tonight. I'm just gonna take the night, look for another setup, look for another setup tomorrow. Maybe if I can actually wake up in the morning, I'll be able to look for some more setups, but I'd be knocked out, bro. Can I read the check about 15-second charts? Are you buying? No, I'm not buying right now. I'm not buying. I'm not buying or selling right now. I'm not looking. I'm not even looking for a position for real. If anything, I'll be looking for this gold to. I'll be looking for a rejection, seeing how everyone react. I'll see. Okay, if are we gonna create a high, or if I'm gonna get a rejection, and I'll take a little rejection prior back down to this OB. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I didn't see a chat about 15-second charts. Did I miss it? My fault if I missed some chats, man. Yeah, I know some people. I know some people like to interrupt this, the 1 and 30 second charts. I personally don't like to. I personally don't interrupt there. But if it works for you, it works for you. If it works for you, it works for you. I wouldn't. I mean, I'm not one to say do it or not do it. I wouldn't do it personally. That's just way too much manipulation. But I know some people who do it, and a lot of people who do interrupt them seconds in lower time frames are usually full port traders. They usually like to full port their accounts and make as much money as fast as possible. Yeah, it's way too much. It's way too much manipulation and wick out. But that's the thing. Like I haven't trained my eyes to look at that lower time frame. I wouldn't be looking at it. Some people like you know what I'm saying. The same way we like train our mind to look at the higher time frame candles. A lot of people train their mind to look at their lower time frame, like them seconds candles. But I do know a lot of people who do use the seconds candles. They usually are full port traders, bro. They like the full port. No, I trade forex and futures. I just started trading gold like 2 days ago. Yep, I trade gold and futures, gold futures, and I don't trade crypto currently, but I'll probably trade. I'll probably eventually trade some crypto too. I'm on the 1 hour right now. That's you. Oh, that's what you were saying about demo. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm usually only on live at night, but trading, I basically trade every session depending on the trade that I'm in. I work 9 to 5, but excuse me, it kind of just depends on my play. Like I could be in a trade for a day, I could be on a trade for 5 hours, I could be in a trade for 30 minutes, I could be in a trade for 15 hours. Like it just depends on the play that I'm in. I might be at work and Price. I might be waiting for Price to get to my level. When Price get to my level, I might just enter the trade while I'm at work. It all just depends. So I trade everything for real. Yeah, crypto is cool. Yeah, I'm not really a crypto trader. I do know some people who do trade crypto. I think crypto is. I think crypto is a lot of manipulation as well. A lot of y'all be thinking shit gonna long forever, bro. That shit not longer forever. I got blessed with a mentor maybe a month ago. My boy Seekers, he be in here. He decided to help me for free, so I be talking to him almost daily. He helps me out, give me like videos and stuff. Now we just talk. We literally just be talking like regular. Like I've already kind of learned everything I needed to learn. But yeah, my boy Secrets, then YouTube, Secrets in YouTube University. I learned a little bit from Jazz that's in here. Shit, she got me hip on TT trades. Yeah, I learned a little bit of everywhere, honestly. Yeah, I learned a little bit from everywhere. But before I met Secrets, I was just teaching myself. YouTube, teaching myself. He joined my live, heard the way I was talking, decided to mentor me. So yeah, we've been cool. That's been going on for like a month, almost 2 months now. We talk every day. On me, he not in here. I don't know where he at, man. I hit him up. I hit him up earlier. I hit him up earlier to see was he gonna mark up some charts tonight. But I think he knocked out. On me, good trade, Jazz. Good trade. On me. Nah, Jazz, you be going crazy, man. You be going crazy. When I'm going to trade on Discord, shit, I don't know. Whenever. YouTube, it kind of depends on what you're looking for. I got my whole like YouTube playlist in my Discord, but it kind of depends on what you're learning. Like if you learning, like if you trying to learn like kind of the things that I'm learning, TT trades, Arkham trades. So I'll be looking like ICT concepts, fib level concepts, volume profiles, market structure videos. Damn, is that you telling me I need to start? I need to get back in the Discord to trade, Jazz. I need to get back in the Discord. Yeah. Shit. Maybe I'll trade in the Discord tomorrow. Shit. I'm supposed to be trading in the Discord on Sunday, but shit, fuck a Sunday trade. I don't be liking the market on Sunday sometimes. But I could still be able to pop on Sundays though. But yeah. On me. Like I still come on Sunday. I do need to get back in there though and trade in the Discord so we can get some trades going. Me. Nah, that's hilarious, Jazz. Damn. You telling me to get on Discord. Get on Discord. On me, I need to get in the Discord. I need to get in the Discord to do some trades. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll join the Discord tomorrow. Tomorrow night or something. Yeah. We'll see. I need to be joining on Sundays. I should be joining on Sundays. Oh me. Oh me, bet. Oh me. I'm gonna start getting you hip on some of the setups that I be taking too. Yeah. I'm gonna start getting you hip too on some of the plays that I be taking. Before the move happens instead of after the move. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Oh me. I think I need to find that. I need to find that balance too, Jazz. Yeah, yeah, you Jazz. I need to start finding that balance too of like going on live on TikTok and trading in my Discord as well. Yeah, I need to find that balance because on Sunday, like yeah, I'll hop on like on Sunday, but also like on Sunday sometimes it's like I'm usually not looking for like a high like that like a high quality setup like that. I'm usually looking for like those setups on a weekday. So I think I need to just start taking like a day or two or something during a weekday to just get in there. Taking some time in the weekday just to just all right today I'm just gonna join the Discord. Like the days I get off Discord, even if I go on a quick live, like if I start live, like I do a quick live, mark up my chart, see what I do, then hop in the Discord. Maybe I'll start doing that too some days. But I need to find a good balance. I haven't found a good balance yet. It's so many possibilities. Shit. Oh me, I'm just shit. I just need to start joining that hoe. I mean, all right, y'all. For like the 20th time now, I think I'm about to hop off. Overall, it's a decent night. Kind of just chatting. We was in two setups today. Two setups, one hit, one miss. Got wicked out. If you knew and missed the other setup when I was explaining, I've been holding this short since last night and got wicked out right when I got wicked out right at 7 p.m. by this gold candle, and price ran down in my direction in that short that I was looking for. So missed that trade. Then I took a trade on my NAS right here from my low to my high right there. And I thought in this trade I was gonna make my money back this trade, but I accidentally entered in on a penny lot instead of doing a 10 cent lot. So I only made like a couple dollars on that trade. But yeah, we still in our live account. My live account gonna be my focus. Like I think my live account gonna be my main focus. I'm gonna get back in my combine. Once I get back from out of town, I start up another combine. But yeah. Mm-mm-mm. I'm much I made so far. I made 50 so far on my live account. Made 50, then I lost. I think I lost like 15 today, 10, 15 today. I just started my live account too. I literally just started my live account 2 days ago. But yeah, yep. I was gonna make like 200 today. Yeah, yeah. I just started my live. I only made like 50. I only took one trade. One trade. Yeah, today would have been my second real trade. Yeah, I only took one trade that I just posted it. Just started my live. I took one trade, made 50. Took a loss today. I wanted to start today. Why you say bad? You gotta just start. Start up. What you want to start? You want to start a live account or you want to start just day trading in general? Damn. If you still in here, Jazz, that little candle on here just hanging around. It took out them highs in your video. That little candle just hanging around. That little candle hanging the hell around. It took them highs and it's just. What's a good setup though? That was a manipulation. That was a manipulation buy you took. Yeah, that's a good setup. My fault. I got you. I got you in the TikTok chat too. 1 second. Boy, that little candle hanging around. Yeah, that little motherfucker. All right. I want to start day trading gold and just shit like that. What do you trade? I trade gold and Nasdaq. I mean, how? If you want to start today, have you already been like practicing day trading? Like, do you have you already kind of like been back testing, or are you just starting fresh? But yeah, I mean, one thing that I also tell people, and one thing that I realize, bro, there is no perfect day for anything. Like, I know a lot of us, like, we wait for that perfect moment, or we wait for that perfect day, or it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I always refer back to the gym because it's easily relatable. Because I know we all do this. It's like, oh, I'm gonna go back to the gym on Monday. Like you wait for that perfect day. Like, oh, I'm gonna go on Monday because it's the start of my week, or I'm gonna go on Sunday because it's the okay, that's gonna be the full complete start of the week, or I'm gonna go on Wednesday because of blah 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 blah, or you like, dang, I'm not gonna go outside today because I didn't eat right, or I didn't do this, I didn't do that. Like, we want things to be so perfect every single day, and we want everything to fall into line every day. And when I realized, I'm like, bro, there is no perfect day. Every day is its own individual perfect day. Like, every single day is the perfect day. And when you realize that, like, you really stop waiting. And like when I realized that, I stopped waiting because I was like, bro, what the hell am I waiting for? Like, today is that day. Like, if you thinking about it, today is that day. If you want to start, motherfucker, then just fucking start. Simple as that, bro. You gonna lose bread. You gonna lose bread. You gotta lose bread to make bread. Like, I lost money today. You gotta be okay with it. Like, and I think that's a lot of things. That's what a lot of people forget when they day trade. They think you're supposed to be 100%. You're not gonna be 100%. You're can have a 40% win rate and still be profitable. You can have a 30% and still be profitable. Like, it's all based on you. You're not gonna have a 100% win rate. You're going to lose. It's inevitable. You're going to lose, but you're also going to win, and you will never know until you just start. And if you've been paper trading, you've already started. You already started. You're already doing the things you need to do. Yeah, I've just started my live. I've only made like 50 so far. I've been trading for 6 months now. But that's the thing. Like, I just now started my live account. Who knows? Who knows how much money I could have made off my old strategy, or off if I started a live account earlier, or if I would have never resetted all of my combines for the past 4 months, not knowing that my data transfers over. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had like four. I've been through 6 combines, and out of those 6 combines, I had like 3 or 4 combines where I didn't even run down my balance. Like, I still had like $1,000, $500. Like, I still had money in my account, but I never knew that my progress rolled over. I always resetted my account. Like, I'm the type of person too. When I buy a subscription, I cancel that shit right away. Cause I don't know. I don't know what my finances might look like a month from now. Sometimes, shit, I might not want Netflix a month from now. You might not have what I want to watch. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cancel that joint. I'm gonna use it for the month and cancel it. So that's what I was doing with my Top Step and stuff. I like buy it and I'll cancel it because I'm like, man, I might pass. I might not, or it's like I might not want to use Top Step next month. So every single time at the end of the month, I would reset my account. And every time I did that, I restarted the combine, not knowing that I could have just rolled over all of my data. So it's like it's all like, so like, learn from my mistakes too, and you learn from other people's mistakes, and you become better yourself. So, ooh, my trades ain't fast. I be in trade for days, hours. Let me say that I be in trade for hours. This is just a quick trade I took today when I was offline because I saw to make some little money back. But yeah, my trades be I be in trades for hours. Top Step is a combine, so you got your live account, but you also have a like a funded account. So instead of using your real, like your own personal capital, you use the broker's capital to trade with. But you still have to fork up some money to pay. Like, you still have to fork up some money a month to pay for that subscription. But if you're a profitable trader and you're getting payouts, your combine just pays for itself with the payouts that you're getting within your funded account. So I'll say that's something you need to look into too, because you have to think about, okay, do you want to do the combine, do you want to do the live account, or do you want to do both? Like, I'm doing both. I'm going to be doing both. I'm trading my real money and trading the prop firm money. Or maybe you look into it and maybe you're like, damn, I don't want a day trade. Maybe I just want an option trade. I'm gonna do it all. I'm an option trade. I'm a day trade. I'm gonna trade crypto, forex, indices, everything. I want to be all around investor. Everything. Yep. 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 And that's why I started my live account, because I like swing trading. Like, yeah, I day trade and blah blah blah. But when you in your combine, you gotta be a little bit more precise. You gotta play your sessions a little bit more. But in my live account, I can literally just play my higher time frame levels, and just be chilling, and let a trade just sit. Yeah, what happened if you lose all the money, like the maximum loss amount you account? Or if you're on a combine, then that's it. You pay another $50, and you start over, or you don't pay another $50. Maybe you just start over. I mean, maybe you just exit out and you go back to paper trading, or maybe you just exit out, start a live account, but you just lose your money. You start again. The journey don't stop. You don't give up, and that's the thing too, Nikki. I'm gonna get to your second question too. Yeah, should you just take your loss? Um, I'm just taking my loss today. because I feel like today, like I already did one revenge trade and I messed up and I did a penny lot instead of a 10 cent lot, so I made a little bit back, but not as much as I was gonna make. So I'm just taking my loss on my goal today, and I'm just calling it a night. I'm not about the revenge trade. I'm not about to chase the move. I'm not doing any of that shit. I'm just gonna take it, look for another setup, and just wait. You don't get liquidated. Yeah, that because I'm on a live account. That's another reason why I started a live account, bro. You don't get liquidated when the market closed, bro. What's good, Red? What's good? On me, when you in the combine, you get liquidated when the market closes. When you're on that live account, boy, you can have that trade. I can have this trade going for a year. I could have one trade going for a whole year. Like just off the moves, like oh my god, y'all think I'm lying, bro. Just off the moves that I've already been trading. I traded matter of fact, don't even worry about it. I'm not even about to say nothing. Don't even worry about it. How much you gotta pay them out of the money you make because I think it's a 80 I think it's a 90-10 split or an 80-20 split on Top Step, one of the two. So it's a not compound but combine. 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 So the live account is when you use your personal money. So no restrictions on your trades. You can literally just enter, close whenever you want, let the trade sit however you want. It's no restriction. You get 100% of the profits that you make. That's the live account. A combine is the challenge for your funded account. So that's when you would get a Top Step account and you will pay the $50. I paid the $50 because it's a 50K account. So I paid the $50 for a 50K account. You have to pass your combine, so you have to make $3,000 without getting $2,500 of drawdown. So losing $2,500. Then once you pass, you have to pay an activation fee. I think it's like 85 or something dollars for that. Then you become a full funded trader using there. Then you're able to get payouts and things like that. But they also have some other options besides Top Step to where you can pay your activation fee and your combine fee at the same time. What do you? But yeah, what are some tips getting? What are some tips for someone getting into trading? Backtest, research. Don't compare yourself to other people. It's very tempting to compare yourself to other people when it's in this realm. It's just like a sport. Think about like a video game or a sport. It's the same thing, and you don't understand how competitive and like this is until you get into it. Like, I don't understand why everybody is so competitive over it. Like, it's like, bro, relax, bro. Like, you make money, I can make money, we can all make money. Who gives a fuck? Like, make your money. So don't compare yourself to other people, bro. Like, literally just stay in your lane. Don't take people words with a grain of salt. Like, do your own research. Like, even the shit I tell you, bro, do your own research, dude. Like, don't just take what I say and run with it. Do your own research. Build your own analysis around it. Build your own mind frame around what I'm saying. A lot of people are just monkey see, monkey do. Just because somebody say it's going up don't mean the market going up. You know how many times I sat in the market and like everybody in the chat like hassling me and I made money? Like, we can all make money, dude. There's so many different ways to make money in the market. And that's how you can really tell if somebody know how to trade or if they don't. Like, if they think the market only goes one way, I don't even talk to you, bro. You don't even deserve a conversation, bro. You're not worth my time. Exactly. Why not build a live account? That's what I'm doing now. Yep, that's what I'm doing now, Jazz. I'm building a small account into a 6-figure account. That's my goal now on my live account. Building a small account into a 6-figure account in a year. That's my goal now. I got a whole scaling plan, and that's why these losses hit me a little bit more. Like, it hurts because it's just a minor step back in the plan, another setback in the plan, another step back in the plan. But hey, just gotta stay motivated. It's part of the journey. You're gonna lose. It's part of the journey. But I like the live account more than I do like the combine so far. I'm not gonna fake it. I do like the live account. I feel like I'm a better trader. I'm a better trader when it comes to my real money. Yep, building the funded. Yep, On me, Kev. That's why I always like a lot of people that I know who's already a funded trader. They always build themselves a cushion, so they only go in with like if you're trading like micros, you're just do like one or two contracts. You're not gonna go in six contracts right away. You have to build yourself a buffer. You have to build your funded account a buffer, so you're able to scale up. You have to think about scaling. A lot of people don't think about scaling. They just scale. I mean, scale. I guess so. You can think about it like that. People don't think about scaling. They just scale right away. They just jump right in. All of their lots right in one. Like what the hell is you doing, bro? Yeah, you can start it with count exactly. So look, you could be asking yourself that, Isaiah. You could be asking yourself that. That's why some people don't go into the combine way because you're like, damn. If I gotta pay fees, why the hell would I pay the fee and I can just load up my own live account and just make profit right away? And that's what I realized. I'm like, damn, nigga, I make profits. I'm like, damn, I make money off these fucking trades. Okay, fuck it. Let me start up my live account, do a live account, and I'm gonna do a combine at the same time. But if you're an actual profitable trader within your combine, your fees, your monthly fee pay for itself because you're making profits. So if you're making profits and getting payout, ain't a little $86 ain't nothing. Like you should be you funding that monthly. And that's why I always say take your time because a lot of people get into a funded account and you don't even got $86 in your bank account to even be funding a funded account. You just hoping for a payout. You're gonna get a payout and you still owe $86 on your fucking account that you don't got. What the hell is you doing? Like, what the hell is you doing, bro? Go paper trade and go paper trade and build up the money in your real account, then buy it. Like a lot of people just jump into shit and they don't even got the finances for it yet. On me, Jazz. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Jazz. But yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal with my live account. That's the goal with my live account that I'm doing. But I'm still gonna do a But I'm still gonna do a prop firm. No, starting a live account right away isn't bad. I don't trade with leverage though. I don't recommend trading with leverage, but I only trade with the money that I put in, that the money that I have in my account. I mean, I just started my live account, but that's how I trade. I'm not trading with. If I have a live account, I'm not trading with no extra funds. I'm not trading with no loans, none of that other shit. However much money I put in there, that's what I have, and that's what I'm growing, and that's what I'm scaling, and that's what I'm losing. Sumo, I appreciate your follow. I mean, but yeah, look at MQ. Shit. No, me, I'm not even. I'm posting every time I say I'm gonna get offline, bro. I chat for another freaking hour. 2 hours done freaking passed, and I'm still online. Yeah, this look like it still might win alone. Some nice reversals. I hate when price be bunched up like this, bro. I hate when price do that. Yeah. Yep. You just in one of those zones. It's bearish right now, but it needs to get above this 4 hour FEG. It's not respecting the 4 hour FEG. I still wouldn't be selling right now though. I wouldn't be selling until price came back up into my 618 and my 88 range. I wouldn't be looking for sales until price came up in this range. Yep. Price rejected off the 113. Yeah, I think we're still going long. I still think we might go long. We just got to get above this 4 hour FEG. I haven't even explained what squares I'm putting down are. So maybe you do understand the squares that I'm putting down. I haven't even said what the squares are. I mean, I haven't said. I don't think I said. I don't think I explained to you what the squares are since you've been in the chat. It's just fair value gaps and order blocks, if you know what that is. But you can make $100 a day easily, but you have to have a strategy. Like you have to have good risk management. You have to have a good strategy. Like the ball is in your court. Literally, the ball is in your court. You just gotta play ball. 59 trade day. I've never heard of trade day. $59 and no activation fee. Ugh, I'm about to write that down. Hold on. Trade day. I've never heard of that. Right on. You just put me on. You just put me on. I mean, the only strategy that I say is a good strategy is my strategy. I feel like that's what anybody I feel like would say. Cause all I know, whatever strategy I'm doing and learning is gonna be my way out, the way I make profit. I'm able to read and pinpoint certain reversals, continuations, everything before it even happens, and that was my goal. My goal was to fully understand the market in a way to where I'm able to predict price, not necessarily like predict it, but predict price, but have a good understanding of where price wants to go, and you just use your zones as confirmations to that. MFFU. How much is MFFU? But yeah, I use a mixture of ICT, volume, and order flow. But if just like short term, like if you just want to look at like vocab words or things to look up, fair value gaps, order blocks. I use fair value gaps, order blocks, fibs. The AMD strategy. It's either AMD, Turtle Soup, or Power 3 strategy. I love AMD strategy. I use my volume. I use quarters theory. I haven't even marked up my quarters theory and nothing like that. But I know quarters theory. Yeah, I know all of that. There's 6 different systems. I know more, but I can't think of it. I know harmonics. I know Elliott waves and harmonics. Yeah, that's like 8 different systems that I know, and like that just works together. My fave strategy is the one I'm trading now. The one I've been trading for a month now. The strategy I'm trading now. I've been making. I've been seeing the most progress and the most. I've been seeing the most I wanted to see out of myself trading the way I trade now. And that's the thing, Isaiah. You gonna learn too. Like I could tell you're still like getting the grasp. Like I'm still understanding myself. But one thing I can tell too, like you're still learning that everything works together. It's not just one pinpoint strategy. You see, I just named eight different systems that I know and that I trade all together. You know what I'm saying? Like that's eight different confirmations, 8 different systems. And like I used to think, I'm like, dang, how do you work it together? Bro, once you start running a fib, you understand, dang, your fib is the same as your harmonics. It's the same as your Elliott waves. Then when you start running your order blocks and fair value gaps, you realize that, damn, my order block is the same as a support and resistance. It's the same as my supply and demand zone. Then it's like, damn, when you do a breaker block, oh my god, it's the same as just a inverted order block. Then when you do a fair value gap, you be like, damn, that matches up with my low volume nodes. You realize like everything works together as one. Like it's all confirmations. So it's not just one strategy. It's not just like, bro, trade AMD or trade. I mean, honestly, if you was to learn anything, I would say learn AMD. Learn accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You'll make so much money just off that. Learn AMD. If that's what you really want to learn some AMD. Learn how each session is a part of the story. Each session is something different. If you accumulate, that's why everybody be like, Aza session so slow, because your Aza session is usually accumulation. Accumulate in your Aza, manipulate in your London. You distribute in your New York, and that's why everybody always say, "Oh my God, the New York is moving." Yeah, no fucking duh. It's the distribution phase. That's what the fuck it does. Like, and a lot of people don't understand that shit. You don't even understand the basic market phases. And like when you understand the market phases, you're able to see, bro. I'm about to explain how I knew this shit was going short earlier too. I'm about to show you. So don't even worry about it. I'm about to show you how to do it. So even here, you can see AMD in a lot of different things. So what do we have? Equal highs, equal lows. What is this? What is price doing? Price is trading within equal highs and equal lows. So what is your manipulation? Your manipulation is when we sweep a buy side or a sell side. What did price do? Price swept a buy side. We took all this buy side liquidity up here. I mean, I don't even got to explain it more because you're looking at it. Price is creating equal highs, equal lows. What did price do? Price manipulated higher, took out the buy side, and what did price do? Price went down, distributed lower to collect the sell side. And this is how your market phases look. So it can be like this. It could be Asia session, then your New York session, then your Asia session, your London session is your manipulation, then it'll be your New York session as your distribution. And that's why sometimes, like, y'all see me, if y'all be in my chat, if y'all be in my live, y'all see me pull out this chart. And this chart is just my market session chart. Look at this. It's an AMD. And it did exactly what the fuck I had marked up. Come on, bro. I knew this shit was doing this, dog. I didn't even remember drawing this. I drew this a couple days ago. Did I draw this I drew this last night. I'm sorry. I drew this last night. Not a couple days ago. Last night. That's what I was looking for. And that's why I was in that short last night. It hit exactly where that box was, too. That's literally what we just drew up. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And sometimes it can all happen in one session. Like, all of this basically kind of happened into your Asia session right here. Accumulated, manipulated, distribution. But yeah. Alright, sorry if I missed some chats, but I was just explaining that to somebody real quick. I don't watch TJR. They just rolled out some new accounts, can get one for 61. I gotta look at that. I'm gonna have to look at that, bro. Yeah, I know a lot of people watch TJR though, but I don't watch TJR. Patrick and Blake. I don't know Patrick and Blake. But shit, W. Patrick and Blake. Prince, I appreciate your follow. What's the word, Aline? What's the word, Secret? Y'all call me. I'm about to get off. I was supposed to, look, I keep saying that. I keep saying I'm going to get off. I was supposed to get off 2 hours ago, y'all. 2 hours ago. But I hope that makes sense. So, I hope that makes sense. I literally drew this shit last night. Come on. And that hit on the freaking money, too. That's why I knew that, like, bro. Learn AMD, bro. If you're going to learn anything, bro, learn AMD. For real. On me, you gonna grow, Isaiah. You got the right mindset, bro. You got this. Again, if you don't know AMD, I'll just say learn. It goes by Turtle Soup and Power 3 as well, so I would say just learn that. On me. Look, Jazz, look, I'm still here talking too. What's the word, Lick? What's the word? But yeah, y'all. That's about it. I entered in at a penny instead of a 10-cent lot on my NASDAQ. Didn't make as much money back on that play as I could have made back on that long right here, but it is what it is. You take your winners the same way you take your losses. It might hurt. It hurts a little bit more to lose, but it's part of the game. It's how you get better. And I mean, shit. The direction was right. Price just decides to do stupid stuff sometimes. Like, it hurts, but it's part of it, bro. How much I made this year? I only made a couple dollars so far. I just started my live account. Yeah. I just started, like, kind of posting on my Instagram, but it's in my bio. Yep. If you see any, like, all my videos kind of on my like not my YouTube, my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are all like they're reposts because I just started really posting on those. Legion, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, all my links in my bio. If you can't find them, just DM me. or just DM me to ask me any question you have. All right. Anybody got any more questions or anything they want to go over right quick before I hop off? Before I hop off for the night, I'm just. I don't even want to feel like I'm. I don't even want to feel like I'm revenge trading tonight. I feel my heart still kind of hurt. My heart still kind of hurt that gold decided to do that, man. I've been trading for 6 months now. How to look for unmitigated. I mean, you just look for unmitigated gaps the same way you look for just fair value gaps in order blocks. The ones that's not mitigated. You just look for the ones that's not mitigated, goddamn it. So look, what's not mitigated? Even if you're just looking at an order block, unmitigated order block. I mean, I guess you could say that's a little mitigated. But right, I guess you could say that's mitigated too. This one is just now getting mitigated here. These are 4 hours, so this would be a 4-hour order block. This one is just now getting mitigated here. Look like price coming down. But yeah. So usually, like if you have like a fresh form, like FEG that's form. So not saying we don't see anything on the right. So if this is what we see and price did this FEG is unmitigated until price comes back up, comes back down and fill the gap. So unmitigated, look, unmitigated, 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 mitigated. Price is mitigated, respected our gap, moved higher. So that's all that is. Price is unmitigated until price comes and fill it. I appreciate you, Isaiah. I appreciate you. Yep. You gotta stay on the charts. I know people who've been trading for 10 years who stay on the charts 24/7. Like it's the same way some people love playing they video game. It's the same thing. Like the same way you might love playing a video game. Shit, I like understanding the charts. I like understanding how to make this money. That's what I like. I like understanding how to play the money game. You don't know, just sit in the trade for a while, just quick. Yeah, I used to be the same way, Isaiah. I only take long. I like long trades, bro. I like long turkey leg trades. I like sitting in that tray and letting it eat. I like that. I like the top tick, bottom tick. I want that whole move. But that just comes with a little. That just comes with a little time. Like I started being able to catch my long moves when I learned my fib. When I learned my fib, I was able to start catching long moves. See y'all, appreciate your follow. The trade like a tripping? Dang. Alright, y'all. I keep saying I'm gonna get up out of here. Anybody got anything else they want to ask or go over? And no, I'm not in any setups right now. I already was in some setups earlier. Yeah, I don't know why I won't let you log in. That's weird. Yeah, quick trades are still profitable. Quick trades are no. Yeah, quick trades are still profitable. It's all based on you. Like, I'm the type of trader I can still take quick trades if I want to, but I'm the type of trader I want I like that full move. Like I like to be able to catch that full move because once you're able to catch that full move, that's so much money. So just think about how much money you might make off a quick trade, right? Now just think about if you had like a little bit, like maybe the same stop loss, but if you had a bigger target. Because usually price might, if you're in a quick trade, price might hit your target, and price just runs. It'll run in that same direction. That's why when you learn your levels and your fib, you're able to take half profit where you usually take a quick trade full TP. Now you're able to take a half profit, and now you're able to move your stop loss in profit, and you're able to trail it for more profit. It says your sequence is not right. I never had. I mean, I just started a trade locker, but I've never had that problem. What you connected to? Are you just? What's your broker? What broker are you connected to? You do crypto? No, I do crypto, but I don't trade crypto. No. I'll probably eventually trade crypto eventually. Yeah, I'm with KOT. I'm with KOT 4X too. And you try logging in through KOT 4X. What I'm looking. Oh, my fault. If I buy, I missed your message too. I'm looking at M and Q right now. I was just going over some stuff at M and Q, but I trade M and Q and I trade gold. That's what I'm trading right now. M and Q and gold. Yeah, I trade with KOT Forex, so I've never had just made both. Okay. I'm not gonna pull up my KOT Forex now, but have you, when you went to if you created your account today, are you using the login that was sent to your email from your KOT? Like, are you using that Trade Locker login sent from your KOT Forex email? Because you don't log in. You don't log in using a separate Trade Locker login. You use the login that KOT Forex gives you for your Trade Locker. You're using a server name. You're using a server name. Okay, so your Trade Locker on your Safari is pulling up, but the Trade Locker on your app not pulling up. That's weird. It should be the same thing. Like if it's working for you online, it should be working for you on the app. It should be, yeah, you shouldn't have any problems. Yeah, it's a different link. That's weird. It shouldn't be a link. Just use the login. Just use the login directly. Don't even open a link at all. Use whatever login they sent you to your email. Just plug that right away. You got the link. Got the link. Yeah. So you know how they might send you a link, but you know how they send you your login information to your Trade Locker. Just use that. Just plug it in directly. I wouldn't even try to use the link if it's not working. Moo and TradingView good. I don't use Moo, but I use TradingView. You talking about some crypto magic and small soon blow up? Possibly. I haven't looked at those cryptos yet. I'm not a meme coin type of person for real. I'm more of just Dogecoin, XRP, and Bitcoin. Maybe I'll dabble in a few, but I'm not really a meme coin and like crypto investor anymore. Especially because these crypto cycles for these meme coins are getting. You gotta know what to invest in. That's the hard part. You gotta know what meme coins and stuff to invest in because the way the market and the crypto cycles are going now, the crypto is getting more centralized in our banks. Them meme coins not gonna be memeing for too long, man. I think we got like one, one or two, maybe two more real cycles left. But honestly, I think we might be got one more good cycle left, and that's it. I don't know. I don't, because once crypto really start getting used in our banks and stuff like that, it's not gonna be so much. Or them big old bull runs. I don't think anymore. I think we'll have like small pullbacks and growth, but I don't think we gonna unless you bought in small. I don't think we gonna be creating multi millionaires off them for real like that. But who knows? What do I know? I don't know. I don't know anything. I can't read the future, so we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Anybody got anything else before I hop off? I wanted to see Midnight get in. See if Midnight got into his account or not. Yeah. Yep. Got to use the password. They got you. Yes, sir. Good stuff. Bet. Bet. Yep. I'm sure. Like I never had that problem. Your stuff should be coming right up. You should be coming right up like some room service. Coming right up like some room service, my boy. Alright, I'll let y'all know if I catch a setup or anything like that. And I appreciate your follow too, Midnight. But yeah, stay. Shit, what am I trying to say? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for all the love. Thank y'all for all the support. And stay tuned. Stay tuned on my live account journey. Stay tuned on my combine journey. It's only up from here. We become better traders every single day. And yeah, I really see the progress and growth happening every day. So just stay tuned. And I really do appreciate y'all. Yeah, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. And everything. And if I see it set up, I'll post about it. I need to figure out how to get rid of these freaking these freaking trades on here on my trade locker. I don't know how to get rid of these freaking positions on my screen. They're taking up too much space, getting all of my weight. Does anybody know how to remove this, bro? Like, how do I remove this on my trade locker? I don't even know. I don't know. Whatever. I don't even care. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Um, I might just be live in the Discord tomorrow, but we'll see. I might do a short live for y'all, like marking on my charts or just letting y'all know what I see for the night. Then I'll hop over to my Discord for the night. But yeah, links in my bio, YouTube, Discord, everything else. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the follows. Thank you for the support. Stay tuned on my journey. I'm not going nowhere. I just hope y'all find some value. Y'all learning something. Then yeah, y'all gonna see me grow and develop into a young multimillionaire building this generational wealth. So